It's Joseph here from Eightcap. So we're looking at silver today. We've basically just wanted to have a look at the metals. So we've seen a little bit of movement with metals in the previous week, and we've seen a bit of a pullback at the moment. Silver looks sort of the best out of the three. We are seeing a pretty deep move on palladium yesterday. The selling, silver stood up pretty well, and gold at this stage doesn't really have as good a breakout pattern as we're seeing on silver. So what we're looking at the moment is basically we can see that squeeze here, and we had a really strong 2-day rally out of that, setting up a breakout. It did stall at this resistance, and it broke this downtrend and locked in this support with that breakout. We've had a pullback, which is pretty normal. The pullback looks pretty good at this stage. We can see a big bar turning into more smaller doji type bars. That yesterday is a little bit of an upset off the back of the FOMC meeting minutes, and we're looking to see if this support here can hold. So we can see the moving averages have crossed upwards, and they're pointing upwards as well. So we are looking at this as a pullback test after a breakout, and we're just going to run over a few of the levels that we're looking at. So got key resistance up at this point here. We have a bit more resistance at this level here as well. We've seen 2 attempts here by buyers to get the trend going. Again, they've been rejected. There's a bit of a worry, but we are seeing short-term support at this level here. We want to see that level hold. If that level holds, continues to hold, look to see if buyers can get this breakout back on track with a new move up. We really want to see a break first of this resistance, and then we want to see a break of this resistance at this area here. Once those 2 levels are done, then we'd like to see if we can call this a confirmed continuation breakout after prices popped above this trend. So the issue is it's still range bound, so we really want to see buyers break out above this resistance to really then break that range pattern and also qualify this continuation with a breakout. So that's the really key thing that we are looking for at the moment. If we do see a close back into these areas here, that's definitely a bit of a worry. And if we do see a move back down to test this support down here, definitely we'll be giving this market a lot more time before we start thinking about any type of buy ideas. And that will be a bit of a worry in terms of buy momentum. And then we'll just look to see if we could get another long entry if we did see a hold and a new move off that support area. So that could signal a new buying opportunity as well. With any type of trade ideas, this is not intended to be investment advice whatsoever. Everybody has a different risk portfolio and risk levels that they need to adhere to based on their account. No 2 accounts are the same, and no 2 traders have the same risk. Same risk. So you need to work out what your personalized risk amount, and then trade within that, which is generally universally most traders are looking at 1% of their account to risk per trade. So other traders are a bit more flexible than that. So that's just getting that out of the way. So we really want to see this support level hold here. If we do see that continue to hold and we see some moves up, look to see if it can turn into a bit more buying. If we see a fail of this support area, then we'll be leaning towards maybe more declines down to possibly even test this area here. But that really will depend on how things go with overall with metals, and then with the dollar as well secondary. So some of our thoughts as well, thoughts for silver today. So if you have any comments, or if there's anything you'd like to add that you think we've missed, please feel free to drop us a comment. Otherwise, let's see what can buyers do, or are we going to see further pushing by sellers moving through today and tomorrow's session. So thank you very much for tuning in. We hope you have a fantastic day, and thanks, and bye for now.